Making black castor oil, olive oil, hemp seed oil, juniper berry oil, peppermint oil, lavender oil, tea tree oil. So there is some tea tree oil inside this, but not a lot, so I'm still going to use some. And then you got your tea tree oil, skin and scalp treatment, dry itchy scalp, vitamin E, aloe vera, fungus fighter. You can use again a few hours later at nighttime. Then I'll get my night session or my vamp session. If you want to look good, it's more than just taking care of your waves. You want to take care of your body, take care of your skin. This is good. I don't put no lotion in my face. I don't use lotion on my face. I don't use it for my body. I can't remember why actually. I learned it in school, but you're not supposed to really put lotion on your face. So I don't really use that. I only use oils. all natural oils. After you do that, guys, now and you just want to pick up your medium and your soft brush and just go to work. But you don't want this to be a lengthy session, because you're just trying to, you know, brush your hair in, you know, get a little session, you know, you want to lay down your hair, you know, because this is a morning session. So just in case you want to, you know, step out later and do something, brush for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then you want to finish with that softy plastic bags, so you know you can lay down your hair and lay down the frizz and rag up. And then you can rag up, you can get dressed. If you're staying in the house or if you're stepping out, then you can unrag and your hair will be perfectly laid and shiny. So this is just my skincare / morning routine. So, all right, you guys, I did enough talking, so now you can pick up your brush and brush with me. Alright, you guys, that is the end of the video. Like this video and give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. As always, if you like this do-rag or any other do-rag that you see me use in my videos, I'll leave the link in the description, and I'll also leave my coupon code right here, you know, for a discount. This is the morning method, and as always, you guys, stay wavy.